Is it all gonna fit? We have too much stuff. Macy, what are you looking at? What's wrong, baby? You nervous? Are you nervous because we're packing stuff? It's okay, you're gonna go stay with Katie. Oh, it's Grandma Julie.
All right, I think we're gonna make it.
I'm a good girl. You gonna miss me?
All right, let's go.
You hear your favorite word, Macy?
Are you ready, Mama?
No. I mean, yes, but no.
All right, I'm ready.
Hey, Mom, where are we going?
You're on.
You gonna drive there?
LAX.
Hello? Where are we going?
We're going to Iran.
What are you eating?
Huh?
What are you eating? Apple? You need to keep yourself away. To keep himself away. We have too much stuff. There's nobody here today. Ari's here.
Hi.
Hi. Look how cute you are. Look her little outfit. OOTD. PB looks so cute. And look how few bags she has. This is what I was trying to do. Unsuccessfully. This is what I was trying to do unsuccessfully. We made it through security. TSA pre-check.
Only one less than we started with.
Yeah, we don't know where my dad is. Poor guy.
We have free line for the seats, we have free line. Please pay attention to your seat number. And we have also line for the business class, elite business class, and transport class members. Right?
Mom.
I'm actually really glad I have this. It's very good for this trip, so thanks for making me buy it. Literally forcing. She forced me. I did.
Call the air marshal.
Actually, yeah, I got forced so much.
We're going.
When's dinner?
That's what that baby wants to know. I love these things. Why is that kid running? Why isn't he in trouble? Why isn't that family all sitting together? Ma'am. Ma'am. like wine, and Ari got wine. But mine is the best one.
6 hours later.
Good morning. What are we having for breakfast?
We have to have the great umbrella.
Question mark. Everything else is the same as dinner. Except we get sardine. For what? I don't know. For salad. Should I wake Aria? Good morning. We just landed in Turkey, in Istanbul, and it is like 6:55 in the evening. It feels like 6:55 in the morning, because that's what time it is at home. Also, like, the sky looks like morning. Also, everyone in here, it's like really, it's pretty dead, but everyone who's here is like sleeping. Good morning, Mom. Good afternoon. Good morning.
Whatever.
They just served us breakfast on the plane. Who knows? Oh, that's pretty. That thing. The flight was not bad. What movies did you watch?
I watched, let's see, what did I watch? I watched Judy.
That was sad.
That one was sad. She died at 47.
What else did you watch?
I watched another sad one. I watched The Art of Racing in the Rain.
Oh, I wanted to watch that one.
That one's kind of sad, too. And then I watched a third movie. What did I watch? I tried to watch the movie Joy, but I couldn't get into it. I watched half of the movie Harriet. That one was good, but couldn't finish it until we landed. So I had to finish it on the way back.
I don't remember what the first movie I watched was anymore. But I watched Where'd You Go, Bernadette? That one was good.
I wanted to watch that one.
I've read the book, but I don't think I'd seen the movie. And then I put on Gone with the Wind and fell asleep.
Yeah, that's a 4-hour movie. It's a good nap.
It was loud though.
Yeah.
She screams and cries a lot. A little
Very
dramatic. Then the last
Trying to play
movie,
Southerners.
I put on The Joker, which I didn't finish, but I'd seen it before. So that's because I knew we weren't going to finish it.
Good idea.
It looks like a foot. We're eating pita chips and getting ready to take off. Leaving Istanbul
The food game.
and going to Iran. Yeah, sometimes we just like talk about what food sounds good and we go back and forth, and that's our game.
I love that game so much. Ravioli with butternut squash, pancakes with blueberries, ramen with a soft-boiled egg. Ew. Mushrooms, yeah. Peas, rangoons, fusilli pasta. Angel hair pasta with a creamy base, peas, mushrooms, and crab with butter. Filet mignon. Chicken tenders with honey barbecue sauce and or honey mustard. Macaroni and cheese. Freezer aisle pizza.
Which brand specifically?
Either Geno's or DiGiorno's. Dumplings. Chow mein. Hibachi steak.
See you in Iran.